Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Copper for use case with Google Sync. All right. So first up in here under integrations or under your profile or company name, click on integrations. Okay. And here, first up, you would want to need to integrate or connect your Google account or Gmail. Okay. If this is your first time using Copper, you'll be able to see a pop-up right here that says connect your Google account. So let's go ahead and do that, or you can go to this section right here, click on Google Sync, and it will ask you the same if you haven't done so. All right. And here, just make sure that you tick both of these checkbox. Now, again, if this is your first time, when you tick on one, it will ask you to connect your Google Calendar. So just give the necessary permissions, and a Google Contact one-way sync right here. Well, as it says, it will sync your contacts from your Copper account to Google Contacts. I'm going to go ahead and show you that it works earlier. Also, when you go ahead over to integrations right here, click on integrations. As you can see, we have Google Drive as well and Copper for Gmail. Copper for Gmail right here, you can go ahead and create your alias, or whenever you send an email from Copper, you can go ahead and choose your specific Google account as your alias, okay? Or vice versa. Or if you just want to, you could go ahead and make your Gmail account received the emails, not here, okay? Now for Google Calendar and Google Contacts, okay? I'm just gonna log in real quick. Like so, as you can see here, I have this label called Copper. When you go ahead and click on this option or checkbox, it will ask you to connect your, again, Copper account to your Google account. So automatically, this label right here will be created, okay? Just take note that whenever you update something in here, it will not reflect to Copper. Just make sure that you make the changes from Copper so that it will reflect in here, okay? I hope that's clear. Google Calendar right here, whenever you are trying to make an appointment, maybe click on one, for example, this person right here. Let's go ahead over to related. Okay, let's go ahead and click on calendar events, click on the plus sign, add calendar events. Okay, now I'm just going to rename this, maybe, I'm just going to keep it to meeting with Rhea Chi. I'm going to hit on save, send, wait for it. As you can see here, automatically it will be added to your Google Calendar in the Copper reminders view. Automatically, when you click on this integration right here, again, Google Sync, it will require you to sign in with your Google account. And after that, Copper reminders right here will be added automatically. That's basically it. That is how you use Copper for use case here with Google Sync. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.